Most people live their life and play online games utilizing only half of what their system is capable. Even if you've done basic optimizations, there are settings that constantly reduce CPU efficiency and create delay inconsistencies. In this video, I will show you exactly what you need to do to remove input lag and even increase your FPS to a noticeable difference. First off, let's look at the actual numbers of a default Windows user and understand where it comes from and what makes it slow. Even top esports players use unoptimal setups, which means they play with an ingrained disadvantage. For example, a very important factor is your USB polling rate. This is how fast it communicates with your PC. The default is 250 Hz, which is extra 4 millisecond delay for most mouses or keyboards. We'll cut it to 1 millisecond by overclocking the poll rates to 1000 Hz. It's perfectly safe and won't cause any issues. Okay, so we'll also run a script that is a list of all sorts of registry tweaks and power settings. It is one of the most important fixes for many reasons. It started small and now there's more than 100 edits. Okay, so once you download the files, there will be a folder with test apps and tweak scripts. First run hit USB-F. After it's loaded, select to show all devices. And for each, select filter on device. Then update the new refresh rate, pick the maximum that it allows, and press install service. Then run the tweaks package file as administrator, and after it finishes, restart your computer. Now, you might wonder how much actual improvement we got just after these two tweaks. There's a lot of apps for testing responsiveness and system stability. One of them, LatencyMon, which we saw were in the red and now is hitting greens every time. Okay, so there's still a lot of things to cover, each one useful. Right now, I recommend instantly downloading Timer Resolution app, which boosts CPU responsiveness from default 1 millisecond or even more on some devices down to half. Now, Windows always was built for convenience users and not high-performance gamers. Due to that, it has a lot of bloatware that slow down. There are a lot of custom builds that try to remove it, and one of them that I recommend is Atlas OS. It is a separately installable OS built on top of Windows 11 and is what 95% of power users should use. Now, this video is mainly for explanation, as all the tools will be compiled in one place in the description. We'll also include game-specific tweaks that modify startup settings to almost double the FPS in games like Fortnite and Rocket League. Very good thing is that all the tweaks in the main scripts are explained in the comments, so you can just right click and edit to see them, and you can also paste all of it to your AI of choice, which would be very helpful for explaining what it does.